Hollandaise sauce, one of the mother sauces as established by Auguste Escoffier, one of the big parents of French cuisine. We saw how easy it was to make mayonnaise nowadays at home. We're talking about another emulsion, a stable one, but warm this time. It's also a sauce made with egg yolks and fat, but this time for fat we'll use clarified butter. Clarifying butter means separating the fat from the whey. Integral butter burns really easily. Clarified butter is very tasty and it has the burning point way higher. How do we do it? Very low heat. Place a good quantity of good butter, that means 82% fat butter, into a pot. Low heat and let it separate. When going back to the pan, you will see a foamy layer on top. The transparent fat in the middle and the whey at the bottom. Move it slowly as you just want the transparent fat moved out of the pot. Use a big spoon or a ladle, tip the pot and get the clarified butter out of it. Clarified butter has several uses, but today we'll use it for our Hollandaise sauce. After you took it out of the pot, leave it for a while to cool down. Bring a pot of water to the hob and let it reach the boiling temperature because you need all the steam this water will take out. 2 egg yolks. Separate whites from yolks. Nicely separate the whites from the yolks. Just add about 50 milliliters of cold water to your egg yolks. Then beat. Just whisk the water and the egg yolks, and this is called a sabayon. Mix them until you reach the ribbon consistency. If you pass the whisk on top of the mix, it should leave some marks on the surface. Move the metallic bowl on top of the pot and wait for the water to start steaming. You can't stop whisking because as soon as the steam touches the bowl, the eggs will start cooking. If you're not careful, your egg yolks will become omelette in no time. So keep whisking, scraping all the time the bottom of the bowl. Check if the steam started to touch the bowl and never let the water touch it. When it starts steaming, start adding your clarified butter. Long stream continuously. Bit by bit, whisking all the time. If your bowl becomes too hot because of the steam, just move away for a while, let it cool a bit, and go back. You need to cook those egg yolks until the sauce becomes a bit thick. The thicker you want your Hollandaise, the more clarified butter you put in it. All you need is to be careful and patient. Keep whisking and you'll never split a Hollandaise sauce. For a nice finish, a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice and a bit of salt. In the end, it should be a bit smoother than mayonnaise. But it's just lovely. Look at this texture. If you're happy with the texture, taste, taste, taste. Beautiful. You can now have it with eggs, with vegetables, with fish, and so many other dishes. But the moment you own the technique of making a good Hollandaise, you can start thinking about all the derivatives that you can make after that. Just imagine replacing the water with citrus juice or any other type of nice juices, or replacing the clarified butter with other types of grease like bone marrow or cream. Keep your Hollandaise warm before serving it, and there you go. It's Hollandaise sauce made by you.